Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey citizens, how you doing? How y'all doing today? Today guys, we are doing a massive Yeezy haul. I just been collecting the latest drops, whatever ones I can get my hands on for retail. I did get a couple pair off of Flight Club. I'm not even gonna lie. I did get, I think 2 pair. It's from Flight Club. But I just wanted to update my collection a little bit, add a little bit more. If you don't know, I am a Yeezy fanatic. Yes, I am. Now you can go check out my Yeezy collection video that I did maybe about a year ago. So this is basically like an updated one, but this is just like more that I'm adding to my Yeezy collection. So without rambling, let's just get into it. And I might have some doubles in here. I'm not exactly sure. If I do, I know I'm going to sell them, so be on the lookout for them. I might add them to my Posh or to my Macari. So keep a lookout for that. So without further ado, guys, let's just get right into this unboxing haul, whatever you want to call it, collection video. And it's not no order of when they came out. I can't remember the release dates or anything like that. You will have to do a little bit of research, and if they're still available, they will be available like at Flight Club, Gold, StockX, places like that. But majority of my stuff came from Adidas Confirm, or Yeezy Supply. I think, like I said, 2 pair came from Flight Club. I will let you know once I open them. I will remember which ones came from Flight Club. And I'm a little nasally, have a little head cold, so please excuse my voice. I know my voice is already deep, and now I have this little cold, so y'all just have to bear with me. All right, so let's just get right into it. All right, so the first pair we have here is foam runners. Yes, everybody got to love the foam runners. Some people do. You either love them or you hate them. They are very comfortable to me. Here they are in red. I purchased these from Flight Club. They are super duper comfortable. You gotta love the foam runners. If you don't love them, like I said, some people love them, some people hate them. I call them like the Yeezy Crocs. But I do know that these run pretty small. All my Yeezys, I get either a 5 or 5.5. It depends on what they are. 350s, I get a 5. 5. I get my 350s in a 5. Foam runners, I go up a whole size to a size 6. So this is a shoe that you definitely, if you can get to a store like Flight Club and try them on, because you will definitely be playing the guessing game with these foam runners. And I love them. This red is popping, so I don't know if the camera is going to give the color, but they're popping, and I'm definitely going to try to get my shots in all of the shoes that I unboxed today. I love them. I love how flexible they are, and I feel like after you have the foam runners for a while, they will I feel like they like take shape to your foot, and they're very comfortable. I can walk in these all day foam runners. Love them. Right, so guys, like I said, some of these I unboxed, some of them I have not touched. So I really didn't want to bore you guys with the unboxing these and everything, so I'm just going to speed everything up when it's time for me to open this up. So here we go. Okay, so in this box we have a pair of 350s, guys. 350 V2s. And I love me a 350. And these are in the color bone. Yeah, so these were recently released, and I got these off of Adidas Confirm. So this is in the bone colorway all white. I do have a pair of white 350s, but they're a little different. The white is a little different to me. I know people be like, oh, he always redropping the same colors, but it's a little different. And on my other white ones, I don't have the mesh here. So I love it with the mesh. Yeah, my other white ones don't have the mesh, and I don't think they were considered bone. I can't remember what color they were, but you can always use a white, all white sneaker. And the Yeezy, the old ones, they start turning like yellow, so I'm thinking about sending them out and getting them dyed. Yes, customize them. That'd be cute. So here they are in the bone, the 350, and these are in a size 5.5. So my 350s I get in a 5.5. I thought I got a 5. Maybe I used to get a 5 and then I moved up to a 5.5. But to me, this is the most comfortable Yeezy, the 350. I feel like I'm walking in like house shoes or like socks. To me, my personal opinion, the 350 is the most comfortable sneaker. Yes, I really truly believe it is the most, it's my favorite when it comes to comfort. All right, here's the 350s in the bone color. All right, so this box is already open. This is another 350. And I don't know. This is in the sea black / DAZ blue. So, all right. So, and these I want on the Adidas from app 2. And these are the black with the blue. And I just love this combination. I really do love this combination. These ones don't have, these are like the old 350s without the pull tab. The other ones had the little pull tab thing on them. So to me, they all look the same, but they have little different features to them. So, and these as well, I got in a 3, I mean, not a 3, excuse me. These ones I got in a 5.5 as well. And they're super cute. Babe doesn't like this color combo, but I love it. And I think I got these in doubles, so I will be selling a pair of these. I'm pretty sure I got this in a double. I think he wanted a pair for me and I want a pair. But yes, I love this color combination. I actually have some Ivy Park tights and a top to match this, and it's gonna go perfect together. Yes, so these are fire. I love this color combination. Yeah, I think these may, this box here may be doubles. So I'm just gonna check for this. I'm just going to, yeah, this is a 350. Yes, this is bone. So I have the bone twice. So I will be selling the bone. Here it is. Brand new from Yeezy Supply. No, not Yeezy Supply. Adidas Confirm. I'm sorry. Brand new. And these ones have like the little, the logo on the inside has like the Yeezy globe, I guess. I haven't really did any research like to see what that's all about. I just get them because they're fly, they're comfortable, and classic to me. I don't think they're gonna go out of style. And this one may be a double as well. This might be the black with the blue. Yep, this is a Yeezy Boost as well. This is, yeah, the black with the blue. Brand new. Oh no, I'm lying. These are moon rocks. So these are double too. I wore these already. I have these. I thought this was the black with the blue. These are the, not moon rocks, the Max rock. Yeah, Max rock. So these are the Max rock, and I have these already, and I wore them. Actually been wearing them a lot since I got them. I have not put these away. I have been wearing these very, very often. I feel like they just go with everything in my closet that's comfortable. Like all my sweatsuits are like blacks, browns, tans. And these are going on my posh because I don't need doubles. So if you're watching it and you're interested, I'm not going to try to rob you, but so hit me up. So I have these already, so I'm going to keep these in a box because all these are going for sale. Here they are right here. This is my pair that I wore already, and they, like I said, they are so comfortable. I guess it's like the boost that's at the bottom of them, the feature that's in the sneaker, like the sole, and they just make them super comfortable, you know. All right, we are whipping through these boxes. I just have to like really do this to clean up my room, get rid of these boxes. And this is another pair, I think is from Flight Club, and these are in a size 6, so these must be foam runners. Yes, foam runners. Oh, babe ordered me these. Flight Club. And I don't even know this color combination, but they are so cute. I love them. How cute are these? These are gonna be like my everyday summer go-to. These are just like so comfortable. Just slip them on. And like I said, it basically goes with all my little essential sweatsuits. Oops. Essential sweatsuits. I actually have a cute little pink outfit that I can wear with these. So super duper cute. And I think these released last year. And babe ordered them for me. I think they had like a price drop. That's another thing. If you sign up for Flight Club, they will send you emails on price drops. So you don't have to, unless you have a occasion planned and you want to get them right then and there when they drop, you're definitely gonna pay a premium. But if not, you wait, and sometimes they will have price drops. So you just have to go in there and check and sign up for their emails. But I know we got these on the price drop. All right, we are getting down to the nitty gritty. These I think I won on Adidas Confirm. Sorry about the way I'm opening this box with my address is still on here, so I had to cover that up. These are 450s. Now, these are another ones people, you either love them or you hate them, and I'm starting to love them. They are just as comfortable as my 350s. Just as comfortable. And I know I said the 350s are like the most comfortable, but these are very comfortable, just like the 350s. That's what I love about Yeezy. It's all about comfort. It's comfort, minimum, and I just love them. These are in the color, okay, so no, I lied again. These are from Flight Club. These are the dark, I don't know, dark SLA. I don't even know what that stands for. I can't even remember. I ordered these a while ago. I think I ordered these to go on my trip to Vegas. Yes, I did. So I know a slate pair I think came out. I could be wrong, guys, with these colorways. It's all in my head. I don't even know. But I like these because they're black. And then on the back of them, it's like a olive green or a khaki color, which I love that. Can y'all see that? That color. I love that. These are really comfortable as well. These ones I get in the same size that I get in my 350s. And this is a shoe that if you love it or you hate it, but they're different, they're quirky, and they just fit my style, and I just love them. So here they are, the 450s, and they're super lightweight. These are lighter than, if you think the 350s are a little too heavy for you, then I would say go for the 450s. These are very, very lightweight, even though they have all this here stuff on the side. It's basically like a sock and then the sole. Like, it really is like a sock shoe. So it's very comfortable. Kind of remind me of the Balenciaga sock. That comfort, that's what it feels like to me, like a Balenciaga sock. So yes, gotta love these. All right, this is another Flight Club order, I think, as well. And this is another 450. I didn't get a thumbnail. I will probably get a thumbnail at the end. But guys, I think with the stuff I ordered from Flight Club, I think I was only paying maybe $50 over retail cost, which is not bad. And I think $10 shipping. So $60 total over retail. And I have checked out a couple other resellers, and they're selling them for like $200 over, $150 over, $300 over. So you have to really research, go on websites, check, but you make sure that you are ordering from somebody who's very, very reliable. You have to be very careful because it's a lot of fakes out here in the world. You have to be very, very careful. So here it is, the 450, and this is in like a green color resin. So, but it's like a green color. I actually ordered these to go with. I got a couple items from the latest Essential. I have on Essential drop, and I have a cardigan sweater, this same color, and I think they're gonna be fire together. So these are like a green color. I'm not sure if you can tell. Like, and that's another thing I love about Yeezy is these colors are so different. You will not see this on a Jordan. So, so cute. And these are in a size 5.5 as well. So love this color. Look at this sole. It's fire. Yeah, so okay guys, that is it for my Yeezy haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna throw in some mod shots. Yes, so, and if you're new here and you enjoyed the video, or you just clicked on the thumbnail, you might want to do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time your girl upload a video, you'll be notified and become official citizen. Yes, become official citizen. Until next time, sis, I don't know. Peace.